All right, they got your foundation poured and your lumber dropped off. We're going to take a quick look at that. But hey, it's James Potenza, that Houston new home realtor. If you're looking to buy a new construction home anywhere in the Houston area, make sure you look me up. I do this with all my clients. We check out the home building process through many different stages and put it on YouTube so you can watch it. All right, let's go take a look at this. All right, it looks like a frosting on a cake. So they poured it, it's been curing for a couple of days, and they've already pulled off the form boards. They covered up the post tension cables. And there, of course, is your lumber drop. That's some good looking wood right there. Check it out. So as you're walking over your foundation, you're going to look for any major cracks. There's going to be some shrinkage cracks. Yeah, so all along the edges, those are the straps that they tie. They'll put the boards there. They've already got it marked. That's kind of cool. But they'll put the boards there. They'll flip those over, and they already popped the chalk line. And they're probably going to start framing here pretty soon. Yeah, there's your big boards right there. Those are going to be big headers right there. Those are going to create a span without columns. And those are super strong. Yeah, they've even got the chalk line running right there. And of course, the nice strap, they'll fold that over. Looking good. Hope you like that. You got foundation, concrete poured, you got your lumber drop, and the next step is they're going to be framing your house. So yeah, James Potenza, the Houston new home realtor. If you know somebody that's looking to buy a new construction home in the Houston area, we walk all of our homes with our clients, help ensure the home is built right. We work directly with the construction manager. So I'll put my contact information right up there, and make sure you give me a call. Thanks for watching.